Hi, welcome to Gooey.AI. We have a quick roundup of how to generate product photo backgrounds. This uses Outpainting and Stable Diffusion. What it looks like is that, say, we have a product. So this is one of our customers. They sell hemp dark chocolate, and they've just done a simple product shoot on a black paper or on their on their kitchen table or whatever, and now you want to give it a more product photo like finish with something that's thematic. So this was done, say, during Christmas. So here we can see that the same thing has been cut out and a background has been added. The way it works is really simple. Is that it takes the image that you've placed, repositions, takes out the object mask, and then allows for the outpainting to happen with Stable Diffusion 2. Of course, there are options. We have 1.5, etc. So we'll kind of keep the same product, but I will change out the the look based on, say, maybe now that it's a bit more summery. So I will say, okay, put the berries on a picnic table, and then there are some palm leaves instead of these kind of Christmas ferns, and overhead shot with some natural lighting. This is a little bit different here. And what I'll also do is, typically what happens is that you want to show the product, but you also need to leave a little bit of space for typography and things that you might want to say in the branding. So I'm going to reposition the object, which is now available in the settings here, and shift it a little bit to the bottom left, and then scale it down a little bit as well. Okay, oh, this has gone up a little bit. Oops. Oops, sorry. Yeah, so there it's on the bottom left, and I'm keeping everything the same. The resolution is the same, and artistic pressure is the same. We also have some standardized negative prompts here, which are specific to products, but you can change this out as well. So I'm just gonna now hit submit, and it should be a little bit to the bottom left, as I've mentioned here, and it should revamp it to a more summery vibe. You have to use the standard 768p setting in square, and then now it's gonna cut it out and give us the new rendered image with our product in the middle. So here you go. So it's a bit more summery, the vibe is a bit different, and then I can just hit regenerate if I don't like it so much or I want it to be a little bit different. So I mean, it uses natural language. So suppose I say picnic table, it's going to try and put the berries inside a bowl. So you can kind of bring out the best kind of prompting that you would like for this. I think the best way to do that is to check out our Hitchhiker's Guide to Image prompting. I think it'll be useful to understand where and how you can use this for your products. So there you go. It's a little bit different now. So you can try it, see what works for you, and let us know if you'd like to scale this up for your product or your websites, and we'll be happy to help you. You can always reach out to us on our Discord, which is here, or at support@gooey.ai. Thank you.